Hi and welcome back to Garfin's Creation. Today we'll be making the super easy and simple but so delicious Paneer Chukauni recipe. It's that simple and easy that if you try it once, you'll be making it too often. Ingredients and the recipe is mentioned below. To begin with, here I've taken some paneer cubes. This is 200 grams of fresh paneer. Just marinate this with some Kashmiri red chili powder, haldi powder, amchur powder and some salt. Just mix it well or toss the paneer pieces well into the spices. And we leave this to marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. There are many variations you can try with this, not just with paneer but also boiled potato, eggs or even fried chicken pieces. Once the paneer pieces are marinated, we will just shallow fry it in a pan. Or you can also air fry them. To fry the paneer pieces, I've used normal cooking oil and we just fry the pieces till they get a little golden brown on all the sides. So once they are cooked on one side, you can just flip them and cook them on the other sides as well. This will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes. There is not much cooking required for this recipe. So on those lazy days when you don't feel like cooking, this is one of those recipes which you can try and make it in less than 20 minutes. Recently I've also shared some chicken fried recipes. If you have those chicken ready in your freezer, you can just make this recipe in just less than 5 minutes. Now once this paneer is ready, we just take it out. I've just put them into a bowl and along with this, we just have to slice up 2 medium-sized onion, 2 to 3 green chilies and little fresh coriander leaves. Just add them all into the fried paneer and just mix it a little. If you prefer, you can also squeeze in some fresh lemon juice over this as well. Now we'll just keep this aside for some time. Into another bowl, I've just taken some curds and just added a little salt. We will just mix in the salt and the curds till you get a nice creamy texture. So this is approximate 1 cup of dahi that I have used. So this is the size and the brand that I have used. Just keep this aside just for a minute. In the meantime, we'll prepare the tadka. For the tadka, I have used some mustard oil. You can use normal oil as well. And once the oil is heated well, I'll be adding 3 to 4 garlics that are finely chopped. After frying the garlic for a few seconds, I'll be adding haldi powder, Kashmiri red chili powder and also some Kasturi Methi. So I just mix this once and be adding some crushed Kasturi Methi into it. Just give this all a nice mix and our tadka is ready to be poured into the curds. So now this I'll be adding over the curds and we'll just mix it well. Once you have added the tadka into the dahi, we'll just mix it up well. This has already started looking so very delicious. Once stirred, just pour it into the paneer pieces. After adding the tempered dahi into the paneer pieces, just mix it all well together. It's that simple. And our Paneer Chukauni recipe is ready to be served. You can serve this with some rice or some chapatis or parathas too. So besides paneer, you can also try this recipe with some boiled eggs, boiled potatoes, fried chicken pieces and this paneer as well. Lastly, I'll just garnish this with some fresh coriander leaves. And this is ready to be served right away, hot and delicious. So if you too like some simple, delicious and easy to make recipes, do follow, like and share Garfin's Creations video with others too. And don't forget to subscribe for more such lovely recipes. I'll see you soon again in another recipe too. Till then, take care and bye-bye.